In this video, I'm going to show you how to split your screen on TradingView. Start by going to tradingview.com in your web browser. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But if you're already a member, just log in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, look in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a little square. That's the layout icon. Click on it and a menu will pop up. Inside this menu, you'll see all the different layout options TradingView offers. You can split your screen side by side, top and bottom, or even into multiple sections depending on how many charts you want to see at once. After selecting the layout you want, it's time to fill it with charts and indicators. Just drag and drop the charts you need into each section. Once they're loaded, you can adjust the size and position of each chart until everything looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. You now know how to use split screen on TradingView to analyze multiple charts at once. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick trading tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading!